Hi, it's me again. Today we're going to learn how to make banana bread. In this bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 and 1 teaspoonful of vanilla, half cup of brown sugar, half cup of white sugar, 2 eggs, 2 scrambled eggs, 1 stick of melted butter. Mix them all together, okay? Once it's all mixed, put your mashed banana, 3 mashed banana. When it's all done, put in your grease pan. It takes 2 of these in these ingredients, okay? Should be more than half full to make 2 pans. 350 degrees, 30 to 35 minutes. All right, see you soon. Thank you. Bye. Hi folks, it's me again. I'm here to show you the finished product of my banana bread. I made some muffins and a banana bread. Be right back. Oh, it's still hot. This is the muffins and the banana bread. Somebody already sliced it. All right, so you can even add nuts if you like, but this time I just prefer to be just banana. All right, so let me try a piece. This is a big piece. Delicious, and it's very moist. You can see the chunks of the bananas. All right, you guys can do it too. Thank you.